Whales are continuously buying up millions of dollars of Pepe, but what does this mean? Can Pepe finally break free from this downtrend? If you have any interest in Pepe, or you hold any Pepe coins, then you need to see this. So what is the latest Pepe news? And how will all of this affect the value of Pepe? In today's video, I will be answering these questions, and I'm going to be telling you all of the new price-boosting information that has just come out about Pepe coin, and how there is still a high possibility you could become a millionaire from Pepe. I have put a lot of research into this video, so make sure you watch the entire video to not miss out on any price-boosting information. Welcome to Crypto Hype, your daily dose of crypto. If you are interested in everything around crypto, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the crypto news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with cryptocurrency news. Also, just before we go any further, this channel has a daily giveaway of 1 million Shiba tokens. To enter, all you have to do is be subscribed to this channel, like this video, and comment hashtag Shiba Inu. Good luck! So let's not waste any time and get into it. Before we get to Pepe news, we must cover the biggest news stories in the general crypto market first. Ethereum fails to retain $2,000 as sellers take control. Technical indicators, including RSI and DMI, indicate increasing bearish pressure in the short term. Traders are now monitoring key support and resistance levels to see whether Ethereum will continue its correction or attempt a recovery. Ethereum RSI is down after touching overbought levels. Ethereum's RSI has dropped sharply to 46.63 from 71 just 2 days ago, signaling a shift in momentum. The Relative Strength Index is a momentum oscillator that measures the speed and change of price movements, typically on a scale of 0 to 100. Readings above 70 suggest an asset is overbought, while levels below 30 indicate it may be oversold. With Ethereum's RSI now sitting near 46, it has entered neutral territory, showing that the recent bullish momentum has faded. This could imply a period of consolidation or further downside risk if sellers maintain control. Traders may now expect Ethereum to stabilize and bounce if demand returns, or continue its correction if bearish pressure grows stronger. Ethereum DMI shows sellers are again in control. Ethereum's DMI chart shows that the ADX has dropped to 17.96 from 24.5 yesterday, indicating weakening trend strength. The average directional index measures the strength of a trend, with values above 25 suggesting a strong trend and values below 20 pointing to a weak or ranging market. At the same time, Ethereum's plus DI has fallen to 21.1 centene from 34, signaling that bullish momentum is fading. Meanwhile, the minus DI has climbed to 23.12 from 11 centene, suggesting growing bearish pressure. With ADX dropping and a minus DI crossing above plus DI, Ethereum could face further downside or enter a consolidation phase as sellers gain more influence over price action. If you are still watching, it would be massively appreciated if you could go ahead and smash the like button. It costs nothing and really helps support the channel. Also, keep watching to find out the latest Pepe coin news. Winning. Pepe whale buys more as Binance wallet sees heavy traffic. The Pepe token market saw a surge in activity, with a notable whale increasing their holdings despite Pepe price dip. This, along with significant transfers involving Binance's hot wallet, suggests a rising demand for the token. The Pepe whale, known for its 100% winning rate, kept on accumulating tokens, even as the price fell. Despite a 55.6% decrease in the value of their initial position, this whale, now holding 1.134 trillion Pepe tokens, continued to add to their holdings. This approach aligns with their past strategy of buying more during market downturns, likely based on a long-term perspective. The Pepe token has experienced unusual movements recently, with large-scale transactions and position increases drawing attention. An Ethereum address, identified as Pepe Band Winning Rate 100% Whale, has been expanding its holdings despite ongoing market losses. This shift follows multiple transfers involving Binance's hot wallet, showing the influence of large players on the token's liquidity flow. The rising demand for Pepe was once more evident when an Ethereum address moved 188.8 billion Pepe tokens, around 2 million in the day's trading price, into its wallet. The token moves followed a series of transactions linked to Binance's hot wallet. Currently, this address controls 1.134 trillion Pepe tokens, valued at approximately $8.8 million. Related, analyst slams retail traders for missing early crypto calls. How large whale buys influence. Pepe. Despite the token's value dropping by 55.6%, the whale added to its holdings, including the 4.64 billion Pepe token transfer from Binance. This approach of increasing position during market dips has been consistent over the past 5 months, with the whale accumulating a total of 613.8 billion Pepe tokens at an average price of 331 units. Although the current value of this position shows a loss of $2.8 million, the whale's approach has been focused on long-term accumulation rather than short-term fluctuations. Is Bybit secretly buying Pepe? A price reversal next after the liquidity sweep. According to blockchain analytics, large institutions have been increasing their purchases of Pepe around its current price levels. Bybit has utilized hidden wallets to purchase the tokens following one account holding significant amounts of the token recently. The Bybit hidden wallet accumulation began a month ago when its owners deposited 1 million USDT to acquire more Pepe tokens. The persistent buildup indicated prospective future price expansion, as institutional buyers appeared to project a large market movement with respect to history. Further confidential wallets developed the trend where institutions were gradually building positions for a potential breakout in the near future. The persistent buildup pattern hinted at a probable positive impact on Pepe. Why the profitability of holders can't be overlooked. The profitability of Pepe token investors is a key indicator of market dynamics. Currently, 81.85% of holders are profitable, 19.60% are at break-even, and 18.15% are out of the money, based on adjusted data resolving apparent overlaps. This distribution shapes sentiment and price stability. With 81.85% in the money, market sentiment leans heavily positive, reflecting strong price appreciation and investor confidence. These holders provide support, unlikely to sell unless securing gains or fearing a drop, acting as a stabilizing force. The 19.60% at break-even are neutral, potentially holding for profit or selling if faith wavers, adding market inertia. However, the 18.15% out-of-the-money holders, though a minority, pose a risk. They may sell if prices dip further, cutting losses or targeting downward moves, potentially amplifying volatility in Pepe's speculative market. Their actions could trigger cascades, especially amid negative catalysts. This profitability mix, mostly profitable, with a vulnerable losing cohort, highlights Pepe's current strength and latent risks, making it a critical metric for assessing its trajectory. But this isn't the only big news in crypto recently. If you want to find out the best crypto to buy now, then click the video on screen now. Trust me, you do not want to miss out on these 1000x potential altcoins.